I just wanted to come on here really quick because I'm about to do not step 2 but month 2 of putting in the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment to get my curls back. I don't know if I mentioned in my last video, but I really need it to help, of course, bring the curls back on the ends. I'm not sure if that's what the protein treatment is for, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it'll bring those curls back. Plus, this side of my hair, it doesn't curl up as much as this side of my hair. So this side of my hair is, of course, super curly, so that makes it seem like my hair is short on this side and long on this side, and I hate how that looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's, of course, it's not curly right now because it's old. Hey Chloe, you want to come over? This is an old week-long washing though, so the curls aren't there. But let's see if you can see in the back what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm about to go do the protein treatment. I'm about to wash my hair, put the protein treatment in, rinse it out, put the conditioner in that comes with it, and then I'm going to deep condition. And I'll come back to let you guys see the results. Roxy, say hi. This is Roxy. You guys know Roxy. Let's bring Chloe. You guys never see Chloe because she doesn't like to be held. Chloe. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sorry. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, it is time for me to retone my hair. As you can see, it's like really orangey looking, really brassy looking. So I did a toning video before, but I know I had the music up a little too loud. So this time you guys won't have to worry about that. So I am going to do another toning video because it's time for me to tone this orange hair. Alright guys, I have done the protein treatment, and I think it might be safe to say that if I keep this up, it's working because it's my hair. I guess it looks, let's see, it looks like it's even. It's starting to even out now. I don't know, what do you guys think? So yeah, that was my second month, well, my second time using the Aphogee protein treatment, and it's looking like after the second use, it's starting to make some progress. So I'm excited to see what the third use will be in another month. So if you guys want to keep up with my progress, just stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Wow.